Yeah, g'day, it's Chris O. So I'm at the same house. I'll go into the ensuite in a minute. I've got the plumber in there fitting off. So I'm busy stripping out the bathroom now. So the owners of the house are quite lucky because, or I'm quite lucky, I haven't had to move to another job and then come back to this one. I'm able to do the ensuite and the bathroom one after the other. So I'm stripping all this out. The bath is going because it's going to be a freestanding bath. The vanity is going, new vanity. I'm taking all the shower screen, all this shit out. The hob, that goes. I'm going to have a strip drain at the back there. Reese the plumber, that's here now. He'll be back in the morning to do the put in the pipe work for the drain, cap things off. While he's here he can cap things off, so we're laughing. Okay, I'll come back to you soon. See ya, bye. With vanities, I never find a set way of taking them out. I just sort of wing it and you know, bash it out. Once I have the top off, well then I'm home and hose. So I'll probably go for that. Bash that out. That's yeah. Cool. Oh, way to go, Chris O. That's it. Like there's no set way. Where's my drill? What I should do is just cut around that with my grinder. The Sparky's got the power off at the moment, so let's think of another way of doing it. Yeah. So with taking out your vanity, you do whatever works. Everyone. Just do whatever works. Okay, I'll get this rubbish outside and we'll move on to the next. Bath out. I've got to remove that end first and try and slide it along a little. So I'll have to bash those tiles off and hopefully I can slide it along and then lift it up. So let's remove all this crapolo. If I can. Just got to adjust things with my, I've still got the big cut on my head. I'm just adjusting my camera. Bear with me a little bit, folks. Let's get the big mother. Oh, I like it. Josephine. Get that out, get that. Oh, so much for nails. Cool. I've got my waste covered with a tile so no rubbish goes down the pipe. Ow, ow, ow. Don't hit your hand like I just did. I don't know whether it's going to be quicker. It just might be. I need to, yeah. I might just run around the top there and just pull it off. I reckon that might be the best. Because Reese the plumber has to put the mixing valve up a little bit higher because it's going to be a freestanding bath, so I'll cut around the top, be quicker, and then I can just lift it out. Okay, we'll see you soon.